Recovering deleted messages on YouTube Music can be a challenge, but there are steps you can take to try and retrieve them. Follow these steps for guidance. Step 1. Check your email notifications. Look through your email for any notifications from YouTube Music. Sometimes, messages or important updates are sent to your registered email, which may include the content of deleted messages. Step 2. Review your YouTube Music activity. Go to your YouTube Music account and check the activity section. This may include a history of your interactions, and you might find references to the messages you are looking for. Step 3. Contact YouTube support. If you cannot find the messages through your email or activity, reach out to YouTube support. Provide them with details about the messages and ask if they can assist in recovering them. Step 4. Check other devices. If you use multiple devices to access YouTube Music, check those devices as well. Sometimes, messages may still be available on another device where you were logged in. Step 5. Regular backups. For future reference, consider regularly backing up your important messages or information. Use screenshots or note-taking apps to save crucial content before it gets deleted. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on YouTube Music may not always be possible, following these steps can help you explore your options. Always remember to keep backups of important information to avoid similar situations in the future.